Hey, it's Coach Collin at Centerline Fitness Martial Arts. I'm here to give you a quick introduction to the Kung Fu Strength class, which is a class that I've developed focused on health, bringing health, power, stability, flexibility, strength, all that good stuff to your shoulders and to your hips. The class is comprised of two core series of movement. The first one is called the Rising Horse series, and the second one is called the Side Plank series. So I'm going to show you in some subsequent videos, I'll break down the Rising Horse series and the Side Plank series so you can learn the fundamental pattern of movements at home, and then you can follow along in class or try to do a full class by yourself. The first part of class is movement preparation. So that is a lot of mobility work that starts as a warm-up and builds in intensity, becoming a full workout. After that segment, we get into the core pillars of the class, which is the Rising Horse series and the Side Plank series. And from there, we finish, time permitting, we finish with a Kung Fu stance drill.